start building a drag-drop interaction, hover over the left-hand menu, then click Interaction. Find the interaction template in the list, dragging and dropping it from the menu onto the page. Click anywhere to close the left menu. Once the interaction appears on the page, hover over it until the content toolbar appears in the top right corner. To edit the interaction, click the pencil icon to open the editor window. Each interaction is pre-populated with information to give you an idea of how that interaction will lay out. To start editing the current content, first update the name of your droppable areas. Click on each header to launch the text editor. Once you have finished editing, click anywhere else to save your changes. You can add further drop areas by clicking this icon in the content toolbar. Please note, a maximum number of 4 drop areas can be used within each interaction. Click anywhere inside the draggable objects to begin editing them. To add additional draggable answers, click Add New Object in the toolbar, then drag and drop it under the correct header. Once the interaction has been saved, all draggable answers will be randomized. To remove a draggable object, click the trash icon next to the one you wish to delete. Once you have made all your changes, click Save.